Hi there, welcome to our drawing tutorial. Today we will see how to draw a baby penguin on an iceberg. So here you can see that I'm using my compass with my pencil in it. Did you notice that I did not complete the circle? Okay, now I'm using my black pen. Now let's draw its eyes. For its beak, I'm using orange pen. I'm using the same orange pen for its claw. Here's its hand, or you can call it wings. Now I'm using my pink pen. To draw the iceberg, I'm using the pencil. It's looking perfect. Now let's do the coloring. I'm using blue pen. Now I'm using cyan pen. I'm using my pencil again. And with a cyan colored pencil, I'm coloring everywhere so that it looks like the penguin is floating on an iceberg in the ocean. Thank you so much for watching.